When it comes to survival, our four-legged friends depend on us to keep them safe. Whether you're facing a natural disaster, an emergency evacuation, or an extended outdoor adventure, your canine companion is part of your team. In this video, we'll cover essential survival tips to ensure your dog stays healthy, secure, and ready for any situation. Let's dive into practical steps to protect your pup in emergencies. Your dog's kit should include essentials like food, water, and medication for at least 72 hours. Pack collapsible bowls for easy feeding and include a leash, harness, and extra waste bags. Don't forget a copy of your dog's medical records and proof of vaccinations in a waterproof pouch. These can be vital if you need to board them temporarily or cross state lines. Store shelf-stable food like freeze-dried or vacuum-sealed options. Rotate stock regularly to ensure freshness. For water, allocate about 1 ounce per pound of your dog's weight per day and include purification tablets or a small filter for extended situations. Make sure your dog has up-to-date ID tags and is microchipped. In emergencies, pets often get separated from their owners. A microchip dramatically increases the chances of being reunited. Include canine-specific first aid items like styptic powder for bleeding, antihistamines for allergic reactions, and paw protection for rough terrain. Learn basic dog first aid, such as how to bandage a wound or assess dehydration. Train your dog to respond reliably to commands like come, stay, and quiet. Practice drills for loading into vehicles or staying calm in noisy environments. A well-trained dog is safer in chaotic situations. If you're on the move, a portable, lightweight crate can provide both safety and comfort. If you're sheltering in place, ensure there's a designated, secure space where your dog can feel safe. Consider your dog's size, breed, and age. Puppies, seniors, and breeds with special requirements may need additional items like joint supplements or temperature-regulating gear. Tailor your survival plans accordingly. To recap, being prepared for your canine companion means assembling a survival kit with food, water, and medical supplies, ensuring identification is up to date, and training your dog for emergencies. Don't forget to plan for shelter and adapt to your pet's specific needs. A little preparation today can make all the difference when it matters most. Now it's your turn. Start assembling your dog's survival kit and practice emergency drills together. If you found these tips helpful, share this video to help other dog owners prepare. Let's make sure every furry friend stays safe when it counts. Stay prepared, and we'll see you in the next video.